So, good morning guys. Good morning pretty people. So, ito yung entryway ng ating room tour. Yes, ito yung door. Meron silang hotel house rules and regulation. Ilaw, CR right away. So, may towel naman siya. Malinis yung CR guys. Very clean. May shower. And yes, ayan. And then, huge mirror. Ayan. Hi! And then, meron silang cabinet para ihang yung mga damit natin, guys. And one single bed, TV, aircon, and complement, slippers, toothbrush, and coffee, of course, complement nila. Yeah. And then, gagawin natin yung ginawa ni Captain Rizakloy. Charan! 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 So, walang camera dahil ito ay semento. Diyan ka. Dito na ako. So, ayan guys. Ito lang yung simple room tour ng room namin sa City Light. City Light lang siya, no? City Light Hotel. Ayan, City Light Hotel. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel. Nunalog. Bye-bye. Keep safe, everyone.